there when I did.
Then on the Shatta Wale, they are all street fans, you know.
Oh yeah, street.
Or
control street with that traffic.
How they say? And they say Accra. I say was this ceasefire.
And then I'm not for phones about you. That way, you know. That's all. Do I want the boys in Namo? Or do I know who the speed motor near that? I won't be young for phone.
What is it?
I question for no man. What will be a question in terms of war? Yeah, Plaza, woman. Plaza. I want to show the whole Ghana. I saw Cassin in a plaza and I want to jump some. Until that time, your street and only in your summer. Now, say, what's a street boy? Street boy, they say, or buy and won't jump. I saw one I'll be. Until you have a chum area more. Obesa and Ancono. I'm voting here. I do check and was a said, do man over for us so lively. Ubi are done at our Ucha money for oh, Obi Dimatama was said our person body meaning that strategy in Obi Uzo alive no be do at Tama of a saw reply no. Of what? Me mo dinda kwasia me mo America America na mo no right now me be di bare ni trophy osasi neighborhood amete so high say heaven no o ha na o di mata me cars apake o mo da sama no
as the other don play because
ebo for mo wie crossing player
our father on how to pestry
our father on how to pestry was it the Cowboys are coming so get ready your pestry Vanessa got to home someone you be decent share mo amokasa no so mo hwa mokasa yi only chance
oh my god.
A word to a wise is enough. My English is coming. If you are my man and we go out to play ampe or to swim and you see me sinking or doctorizing or wickable and you don't support and take me to the hospital and someone else come to carry me to the hospital and you stand there because you are speechless and marvelous and crying and make your face babantu like popo. And they take me to the hospital, I come back. You have me to face. If you claim you love me, you have to support me, even though if you are slim, smallish or what. You have to support me, carry me to the hospital, see me recovering. Because who knows, whoever will come and carry me, by the time they will take me to the hospital, they've killed me. And you will be crying. And at the end, when I'm dead and gone, you will go and enjoy another woman. If you say you love me, be there for me. Be ready for anything. Show your clutchy power and support me. That is love. Don't stand there like Pompo and let someone else carry me from the water I fall in for you. And I'll come and tell you good news. Listen to what I'm saying, Mr. Right, in my life. A word to a wise is enough. My English is coming. If you are my man and we go out to play ampe or to swim and you see me sinking or doctorizing or wickable and you don't support and take me to the hospital and someone else come to carry me to the hospital and you stand there because you are speechless and marvelous and crying and make your face babantu like popo. And they take me to the hospital, I come back. You have me to face. If you claim you love me, you have to support me, even though if you are slim, smallish or what. You have to support me, carry me to the hospital, see me recovering. Because who knows, whoever will come and carry me, by the time they will take me to the hospital, they've killed me. And you will be crying. And at the end, when I'm dead and gone, you will go and enjoy another woman. If you say you love me, be there for me. Be ready for anything. Show your clutchy power and support me. That is love. Don't stand there like Pompo and let someone else carry me from the water I fall in for you. And I'll come and tell you good news. Listen to what I'm saying, Mr. Right, in my life.
You never come to Abrochire. A bitch move now, you know. Live in it, see what it is. Now who's a which man can want some? Yes, another. Obana 2 weeks per what do 1 month as over Abrochire. There be also going to say a month for Bogania there. In another story, what boga, what my Abrochire, Minia Bema. One thing, her system, you don't know what is going on. Okay, back to Omomatano, Felane, Medica. I didn't know a more a hitisa, so I guess we. Akuapem Polo ne a fjord. Now, so I get a fjord, will be a moon kruma. Nobody respect that girl out here. Why a bitch bitch. And now, second afford a moon will be a flood with Jabba, the Momunyame. Umbeso son, soon, Wabetan Ghana. Nagasan Gaubia or no what's in a krumaka. Or respect and come back to Ghana. I don't know enter to the industry now. Want to say my steps are me taking right now.
And I love it, Papa Crown Boy.
Ah, obey that man. Now so they can't say don't love it from the other not quite you. Or no. And now must say, want to me nyame. On the sana no. See, mum dey go. I said me, in a freezy. I don't know why. Freezing. Let me see.
Ghana people can give you pressure. You do something you will regret. Is it by force? Who forced put pressure on these people to marry that they couldn't get a marriage planner to plan their things for them? Look at it. In Africa here, if we are getting married, the ladies kente should appear in a gentleman's attire. But here's the case, the man is wearing all full colored without the ladies kente because it's forced. He's not happy. Look at his face. He's not happy. Or the lady didn't get money to buy plenty kente so that the guy can get some. Because even if you're hiding something from your girlfriends, at least cut small of the kente, put it on the neck of your shirt or the hand so that we will know that you're getting married. Look at some toy things you are doing that they say we not free do and we do them shock. Who shock? Think about the cry you are going to cry afterwards. Like the way when you were dating, you were crying. Me, I know shock. You know you are married, you are pregnant. That's why you are forcing the marriage. But Masa, stop the kutia and focus on what you are getting yourself to. That is all we are talking about. Ghana Chioma and Ghana Davido, what is going on? No one is forcing anyone. You needed advice on this thing you were going to do. They said they were doing something like bridal shower gel. And look at the bridal shower gel they did last night. I was watching, clamped across my leg, laughing like Jacka. Is it by force? It's not by force. Stop doing this. And focus in your life. Don't force a man to marry you. Relax. And the marriage will be beautiful. Look at these toy things. Me, I'm tired though. Me, I speak the truth. And the truth shall set me free. I say it the way it is. And I give advice. If you are smart, you will learn. And work on it. I love you guys. I did my one corner. I did check myself. Kiss, kiss. Mwah.
Me buafu pa enye bibia na ede pe hypo Akuapem Polo yen ya mo beto ye e wo game no me nkase yen kura me na me start sa de no enye nsem nyina na ye ka wo nsem bi wa ye sensitive o so ati ase na ka wonim nsem ye betima ka waka ko kase ge na nyem na say you should have known say nah man, you shouldn't disrespect them in that way. Our rain no more worry so ati ase obeka nsem kura can different now na obey your say a Jimmy Jane una obey them so on him the ekoso bia ho am na push you say yes video no what fuck your baby send me ben baby obi an come ball rough na say me person ba wo ya Jimmy too much or your bat say wo so hu what you say na wo gya san kwase asem na de bia na wo ye nya na nsia na fele tutu sika gu so a wo da fom emunum no ho no e de hype nko na open wiase what fuck you up save video no ada so be delete na akopa ma chewo e kwase asem se ya akwa
Bobby D mommy. Bobby D mommy. Hello dia beje. Hello dia beje. No, hello dia beje. Hello dia beje. Can you be near? Tukuniso. Hey. Dini near. Atwone hususa benkuno. Tukuniso.
Hey, I don't know him.
Hey.
I'm blessed. This Christmas I'm down. Fella is giving me money and giving me hamper.
Hey, sir.
My hamper. Chief, this Christmas we are done. Chief, thank you, fella. Thank you. Chief, this Christmas I'm coming to swim. Okay.